courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Stand.
Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the last assembly of 10th standard. News headlines will be read out by Pal Chandler, and the beautiful memories of our school life will be shared by Sally, and the knowledgeable quiz will be conducted by Atharva Bhangare. At last but not the least, our respected class teacher, Reptin ma'am, will share some of the information. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. Good morning all of you. I am Payal Chandler, here before you presenting the last thought by 10th class. The thought is, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. I repeat, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. My dear friends and teachers, in each and every turn of life, we feel like quitting and leaving everything. We feel depressed because we either feel we are getting continuous failures or we are fed up with our life. But it's not the end. Every time you get the question that I'm not able to do and it's time for quitting, you should think just one question. That why I started this journey. This question will boost you like anything and you will find yourself with new courage and desire to grab the goal. So my dear friends and teachers, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started, because life is not about quitting, life is all about starting a new journey. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning everyone and welcome to the last news bulletin by 10th standard. This is Shruti Jain, here to read out today's news headlines. International news. Biometrics will come for the West with genetically modified killer viruses, warns Bill Gates. Second, Donald Trump's new immigration policy. Future tax for 3 lakh Indian Americans. Third, Syria war. Arab Kurdish fighter enter IS held there in Zone province. Fourth, NASA scientists announced discovery of new solar system, 7 Earth-sized planet orbit dwarf star. Now international news. Shashikala will get life term if probe takes place into Amma's death, says station. Second, Uttar Pradesh election 2017, voting begins for phase 4 today. N. Chandrasekhar becomes the new chairman of the Tata Group, outlines his ambition for Tata Sons 6 for fixed core issues. Navy invites Chief of Royal Navy to give farewell to INS Virat, the oldest warship to be sold for scrap. Now we'll move towards some sports news. Zaza and Aurelina condemn Real Madrid to surprise defeat against Valencia. Second, India versus Australia. First test to begin today at MCA Stadium, Pune at 9:30 am. Thank you and stay tuned for further updates.
Good morning all of you. I am Sally, here to share with you some beautiful information about school life. So whenever asked us that what were the best and the worst moments in our life, the answer always zeroes down to the same place. That yes, our best moments in life were in school. And the worst moments when we have grown so old that could not longer go to the school. Normally, kids hate school. They get all sorts of elements and lectures on Mondays. Then they have to go back to school after weekend holiday. We have lots of memories in our school, starting from the day we enter here. All our cries, fights, lot of mischief and terror of surprise test. But as soon as we realize that we have grown up, soon time flees away. But school is actually our second home, where teachers go through great extent to make sure that we are comfortable in our space. Teachers always say, success is failure, turn inside out. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. The most awakening things are sharing our difference, quarrels, over not helping out in exams, punishment from teachers, kneeling down outside the class for the entire lecture. These things will be back of our mind till we breath the last breath of this eventful journey of life. Some people pretend to be very calm and innocent in class, but honestly, behind it there is something else. They follow things like texting without looking, sleeping without getting caught, and teamwork on test. I don't know how much really everyone misses school, but we really do want to miss them a lot. Seriously, we are the naughtiest batch of our school, but are actually proud of it. And finally, I want to tell that there are so many memories that brings back smiles and tears on our face. We don't know what our future is, where we go, how we go far. No one can steal this moment from us. Thank you.
students, I am Athar, your quiz master. Today I am here to conduct a quiz. Let's begin from the bottom. Question for class 10. He was the first Olympic medal recipient from India. He won 2 silver medals in athletics in 1900 Summer Olympics held at Paris. He was a British parentage. Which great personality are we talking about? 10th class.
Ronaldo.
Stand up. Shooting is going on. Stand up.
Please repeat.
Ronaldo.
Sorry, he was from Brazil. First, anyone from 9th class? 8th class? Anyone else present here? I will reveal the answer. It's Norman Pritchard. He won 2 silver medals in athletics, though he competed in 5 events, but managed to win 2. Question for class 9. This fort palace in Pune served as the seat of the Peshwas till 1880. This fort symbolizes a place which will never see defeat. The construction cost was rupees 16,110 rupees. Which fort palace are we talking about? Class 9. I would like to give a small hint. If you have seen Bajirao Mastani, you must know this. Yeah, Sahil. Yeah, you are right. Shalimar Bagh.
Okay, begin.
Question for class 8. Bill Gates' IT company, Microsoft, on behalf of large computer manufacturer IBM, developed an operating system for home computers. The Windows OS was based on the system for many years. Which operating system are we talking about? I think it's near syllabus. I said syllabus. Maybe 7th or 8th class, I don't remember. Seventh class. 6th class. I like to reveal the answer. It's MS-DOS. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. Question for class 7. Which is the lead ship, the INS of the India's nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, which was launched in 2009? The Indian Navy ship, INS. It is the only nuclear submarine with Indian Navy. Class 7. No, sorry. It's an aircraft carrier. Anyone? Class 6? No one? It's the INS again. It's the first nuclear ballistic submarine of India. It is. Question for class 6. It's an easy one. This song by Indian film actor Dhanush reached the milestone most searched video on YouTube till 2011. It received YouTube Gold Award the same year. You must know this. It's too easy.
I think they are unable to understand your English.
I'd like to repeat. This song by Indian film actor Dhanush reached the milestone of most searched video on YouTube till 2011. It received YouTube Gold Award the same year.
Stand up.
Yeah, you are right. It's Why This Collaborative by Dhanush. Question for class 1. The World War II had ended with defeat of Japan, Germany and Italy. Can you tell me who led the Italian forces during the war? Yeah?
USA, she said USA.
No, who was the dictator of Italy at the time? Who led the
Name of the dictator.
Who led Italy during the World War
Stand
II?
up. Stand up.
No, sorry, he was the dictator of Germany. Italy.
Italy.
Yeah, you are right. It's Benito Mussolini. Question for class 4. Which country in Europe awards Nobel Prize on the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel? I'd like to tell you it is one of the 3 Scandinavian countries.
Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize. He said Nobel Prize.
No. Which country awards the Nobel Prize on death anniversary of Alfred Nobel? You know there are 3 Scandinavian countries. There are 3 Scandinavian, Norway, Sweden and Finland. Out of these 3, who awards the Nobel Prize?
Ask anyone? Anyone in the school?
Anyone from here? Why guess? Sweden, Norway, Finland.
Tell now.
It's Sweden. Question for class 3rd. What is the ratio of length of the Indian flag to its width? Its ratio. Anyone?
Now, stand up.
How much? Yeah, you're right. It's 2:3. Thank you.